Hi guys, my name is Iro of Unit A Creatives, and today I'm gonna take you to the technical side of photography. I hope you guys are ready. Do you have your pens and paper or cameras with you? Because we are going to start this right now. Everybody starts from the basics. It's the most important part of the process. In fact, I personally recommend that you build a strong foundation on the basics. A building with a weak foundation will fall sooner than a building with a strong one. And that's what we're going to do today. We will carefully build your foundation as a photographer. First thing we will discuss are the basic parts of the camera and their functions. But before that, a like and sub would be awesome. So today we're gonna talk about the most basic parts of the camera. Mainly the sensor, the lens, the viewfinder, the dial, the body, the shutter, and the LCD screen. So the first part we're gonna talk about is the lens. So basically, depending on your camera, the lens could be a detachable lens or a fixed lens. And its main function is it's where the light passes through to your sensor for it to process that image that you're taking. So the second thing is your sensor. Your sensor acts out as a film for your digital camera. It's the one responsible to process the light coming from your lens to make it as an image. The next part is the viewfinder. So the viewfinder is usually located at the back of your camera. It is where you look through in order to compose your image. Also, you have your LCD screen. The LCD screen, like your viewfinder, is located at the back of your camera. This can also serve as your secondary viewfinder, and it also contains all the information and settings of your camera. On to the next part. The next part is the shutter button. The shutter button is the one that controls the shutter of your camera to capture the image. So the next part is the dial. The dial is where you can change the modes of your camera, which we will discuss in a different episode, so watch out for that. The last part is the body of the camera. So the body of the camera is the one that houses all the components of the camera in order for it to function. And that's it for today's episode. It's important to know how to navigate through your camera, which will be key to our next discussion, so watch out for that. I will remind you again that a solid foundation is really important. Your entire career will depend on this, and you will often find yourself going back to the basics when troubleshooting or experimenting on new shots and treatments. So we will be guiding you, and we will all learn and grow together. So once again, my name is Iro of Unit A Creatives. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and tell your friends about us. We will see you in the next episode of Buhay Photographer.